What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to share my Oreo milkshake recipe. I've had many requests for it over the years, but today I'm going to reveal it for the first time here with y'all. So let's jump right in. Okay, we need a quarter cup of whole milk, and it's very important that you only put a quarter cup of whole milk into your milkshake, because most recipes I see online tell you to add way too much milk, and if you do that, you'll never end up with a thick milkshake. So very important, only quarter cup of milk. Next, we're going to add a tablespoon of malt powder. Bam. And finally, we're going to add a tablespoon of caramel. Don't that look good, y'all? Okay. Okay, I'm going to blend all this together, and I'll see you on the other side of this video. It's time to add the ice cream. We're going to need 6 large scoops of ice cream. That's 1. That's 5. And 6. Take these little Oreos right here, just snap them in half, just throw them on top. Just like that. Put your top on. Now I'm going to blend this together, and then we're going to come back and see what we're working with. Okay, we got everything blended, y'all. Let's pour it up and see what we're working with. Let's move the straw for a second. I'll give y'all a look into it, see what it looks like in there. It's nice and creamy. Let's pour it up. Whoa, getting a little messy. But look at that, y'all. It's nice, thick, rich, creamy, Oreo-fied deliciousness right there. Wipe up this mess real quick. We're going to decorate it a little bit. We're going to put a little whipped cream on top, just like that. Next thing we're going to do is grab some of these, grab a couple Oreo crumbles right here. Put them on top, like that. Then we're going to do things a little differently. We're going to put a little Oreo cookie on top, just like that. Then we're going to put some more whipped cream on top of that. Then we're going to top things all off with a little cherry on top. Just like that. I'm going to center it up like that. And then we're going to put a little straw in there. Just like that. Now, that look good, y'all, by the way. But now we're going to take the taste test and see what it's working with. Here we go. Man, that's delicious, y'all. I mean, when you take a sip, you experience that rich homemade vanilla ice cream flavor, followed by a burst of chocolate from them Oreos, and it finishes off with that caramelly sweet delicious flavor that's out of sight good, y'all. And after saying all that, I do have one more piece of advice for y'all. Get all the ingredients to make this shake. I need you to make this shake and thank me later. But anyway, y'all, If this video helped you in any kind of way, you learned anything from this video, or got any form of value from this video, smash that like button. Share this video with your friends. Please subscribe right now, as I'll be uploading often, and you can be the first to receive my unique, delicious recipes. Until the next video, y'all. Peace.